Hey guys, welcome back to Let's Play Mario & Luigi Bowser's Inside Story. In the previous episode, we explored the depths of Peach's castle, and we defeated a group of piranha plants that were raised by Fawful, as well as we did some side questing with Mario and Luigi for some bean hunting. So today we're going to be actually making our way to the area where the Dark Star is awakening and stop Midbus and Fawful for his plans for global domination. So before we begin, like and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. And don't forget to check out my most popular videos I posted on YouTube, because they're looking amazing so far. Before we begin, I just want to I'm actually going to showcase all the beans that I collected in the last episode. So, I got 10 beans here in Toad Town Caves. So that's brilliant. I mean, I'm a master 100% completionist. There's the area here. I have chortles, and I have excitement. At last, the Dark Star wakes like a naughty napping baby. Lord Fawful. Fawful hates your timing. A nuisance barge barging in at the critical time for us. Nuisance barge? Gah ha 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 ha! Buddy, you're like a nuisance super tanker. Tell you what, hand over the princess and that Dark Star and we'll call it good. Lord Fawful, leave him to me. Aw man, again? You don't give up. Well, have it your way. You'll be a nice tune-up for my stomping Fawful. I have uneasiness. Bowser keeps appearing like an ugly rabbit from a hat of a magician who stinks. So Fawful will fight to help Midbus with victory. But Midbus has pride. So Fawful leaves him to you. Midbus, power up! Oh, he's got like a ray gun. He's giving him superpowers. Whoa. I love his design, it's sick. Now you face Hot Wrath, the hot wrath of my freezing blizzard attack. Here your long journey ends. And here we go. Welcome to the final Midbus battle in this game. This boss is known as Blizzard Midbus. This guy has a lot of HP. He's like 2041 HP. And the cool thing is, he has a lot more HP than any of the upcoming bosses that we're going to be facing in this game. And his attacks are going to be no joke. Like, you'll see a bunch of his attacks. You're gonna see like a bunch of his snowball-based attacks. Like, it's kind of weird, like how any RPG game has ice-themed bosses. Like just take a look at Paper Mario with the Ice King. That boss is by far the most difficult boss that I had to face. But what Blizzard Midbus did, he summoned some Snuffles. Now these guys will actually heal Midbus, so the best idea is to like take out all the Snuffles with Mario and Luigi, because you don't want to attack, because if you let the Snuffles because if you leave the Snuffles intact, they will actually heal Midbus with a lot more HP, and that's something you don't want that to happen. But I'm using the snack basket on the Snuffles because they do tons of damage. The good thing is when you get rid of one or more Snuffle, a cloud will appear above Bowser's head to indicate how many Snuffles you've taken out. So, I'm actually showcasing that. That Snuffle just healed 30% HP from Midbus. Oh, and sometimes he'll do these attacks where... Oh, sometimes they'll give Midbus icy powers. I'm actually gonna suck up that Snuffle. Come on, why isn't he healing him? You can't keep increasing his power like that. I mean, I'm actually not really unprepared for this fight. I don't know if I'm over level at this point, but that's weird to me. So I guess I'm gonna have to take out one Snuffle with Luigi. Each one of these Snuffles has like 100 HP each, so they're not that bad to take care of. So, as you can see, Midbus summoned more Snuffles. That's not cool. Yeah, up until this point, we were at that point where we might lose, where we might run out of SP for special attacks. So, if these Snuffles continue to heal Midbus, that'll make this battle drag on for a long time. Sometimes they'll do attacks like this one, because if you take damage from these, you'll stay frozen. But luckily, with the quick jumps and like dodging, you'll get very good at it. I'm actually gonna like jump on one Snuffle just to showcase it. Holy moly, that did a lot of damage. Holy cow. So now I'm gonna use the snack basket. And use another snack basket. Let me see if I can take him out rather quickly. Oops. Okay. Lift him up. Great. How is that only great? I wasn't mashing A fast enough. But as you can see, we got a total of 8 Snuffles. And once it reaches 8, it'll create an ice block that'll block Midbus's crown to prevent him from summoning any more Snuffles. So now we can have the upper advantage of attacking without the Snuffles actually healing in place. So let me use the bomb blitz. It's gonna be really hard to like line those bombs correctly. Wow, I actually got an excellent 303 damage. Oh, he's throwing snowballs at me, no fair. Boom. Socked you in the face. There's one attack where he like rolls a snowball that's hiding a bomb. And let me use Magic Koopa Mob for this. I practiced it and I'm actually getting really good at it. Excellent 400 damage. Holy moly, that is a lot of damage. Boom. Now let's do this. Broggy Bonker, the new special attack we got in the last episode. Just try to clean the mud off Broggy. Okay, excellent. Holy moly, 101 damage. This attack is guaranteed to get lucky hits. We did 508 damage. Holy moly. That's so much damage compared to the other attacks that we've done. How insane is that? And I don't have enough special attacks to use. But I do have enough for Goomba Storm. So let's try it. I mean, I haven't shown off the Goomba Storm just a long time because... Okay, excellent. I'm actually getting really good at the Goomba Storm. I've been practicing it lately. 173 damage. And that is it for Midbus. Holy cow! 8,260 XP points for Bowser. While the bros gained 1,760 XP points. Holy moly, that is a lot of HP. A lot of XP to go over. So, we got to level 21 with Bowser. Very nice. Whoa, Bowser leveled up twice. Wow. After I defeated Junker with... As you guys know, I defeated Junker with Mario and Luigi, and they actually leveled up twice. If you guys haven't checked it out, if you haven't guys watched that episode, check it out. Moo moo moo. Moo moo moo. So I fall here Numbeat Lord Fawful. Now he will finish you. Oh, he froze solid. You figure out who's tougher yet, Mr. Ice Cube? Well, what's happening? Peach is unconscious. She has her power drained. It wakes! It has wakeness at last. Fawful's waited so long. Oh, he's got a vacuum helmet. I have suction. With this, I am taking the Dark Star's power. Whoa, there's a lot of lightning attacks. Yeah, Fawful actually gained his vacuum helmet back in Superstar Saga. I have darkness. So very darkness. The dark power builds like a skyscraper of evil. With the dark power in me, the world is for Fawful. Whoa, what's that weird shape? The world? Good one, crazy guy. The world is mine. He just punched it. Feels good, finally punching out that weirdo. And now I'll just help myself to the Dark Star and the world. Yeah. That's very nice. Whoa, the Dark Star's circling around him. Bowser's following it. Oh! Bowser's an idiot. He swallowed it. Oh, it's now in his trachea. What happened? It looked like you just swallowed something. The Dark Star. Ate the Dark Star. Tasted real funky. Really? Yow! Chest burning! Oh, nice. Always nice thinking, Bowser. Ah, that was gross, but my chest feels better. What was that? Heartburn? I mean, with the Dark Star in there somewhere. Bah! My chest is getting hot again. Looks like it's up to us to catch that Dark Star. I mean, if it stays inside Bowser's body, I can't imagine what sort of horrible thing might happen. Come on, let's go. Alright, so Mario and Luigi are once again off on an adventure inside of Bowser. This area we're heading is called the Airway. Well, everything's frozen here. Now, this is actually the final area with Mario and Luigi that we're going to be exploring in Bowser's body. Got cold, huh? That icy breath Bowser inhaled really dropped the temperature in this area. Huh? The water froze? Interesting. That means you can jump on that platform without it sinking. Using that icy breath to freeze and melt things will help out, so keep that in mind. Luigi, you're shivering a bit much, don't you think? It's not that cold. Come on, you can handle it seriously. You just think you're cold. It's all in your head. Think I'm not cold and you won't be cold. Alright. I'm not cold. Not cold. Not. Star's like, stop it, Luigi. Stop it, you're over exaggerating, Luigi. Anyways, that's gonna wrap up this episode. In the next one, we're gonna be we're gonna be catching up to the Dark Star with Mario and Luigi before it does any damage to Bowser's body. So, anyways, thanks for watching, and if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel for more awesome Mario and Luigi Bowser's Inside Story content coming up on Just a Big Brains YouTube channel. This is Just a Big Brains saying, thanks for watching.